Hi. After a long time, I'm posting one video. Um, there was some issue with my laptop since the upgradation of the new Mac causes me lots of trouble with my VM. So I have to start everything from the beginning. Sorry for that. Let's do an interesting video today. See, there's a new Linux distro right now in the market. Maybe you have already heard about it. It's a Rocky Linux. Since Red Hat declared that they will discontinue CentOS development, okay, on December 8, 2020. Zeugri Kartzer, okay, another co-founder of the CentOS, he announced that he will start launching another distro, which is a Rocky Linux. This is actually somehow the background, and this is the address from where you can download it. Okay, the rockylinux.org. If you just click that button, and you will be able to download it as a minimal version DVD. Even you can download from a torrent one. Okay, so I have already downloaded it in my laptop. Now I'm gonna show you the installation process. So let's jump in and start the process here. Here I have already created the initial process. If you don't know how to create new VM, maybe you can look into my previous old videos. Here I have attached Rocky Linux 8.5, okay, and I'm going to install it from using Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. I'm using Mac. It's the same method. You can use a Windows as well. You can install virtual machine and you can launch it. So to launch it, first you have to hit start button, and here it is. Okay. So here you can test or you can go for direct installation. If you have any confusion that your media is not proper, then you can test the media and then go for installation. So I'll not going to go for the testing part. I'll directly go into the installation of Linux 8. Okay. So wait for it for a few seconds. So it was getting some issue. So I'm checking the media. So yes, now so media is frame selected as English. And press continue. Okay. Now first thing first, you have to select this installation media, same as Red Hat Linux. Okay. Keydump is enabled here. See, we are using server with GUI graphical interface. If you want any extra thing, you can select from here. Okay, so is it done? And I have not select custom. Custom can be done as well. So not gonna do that right now. Let's stick to the basic setting. Select your region, Bangladesh. So you can select your own one. You should be Dhaka. Okay, from my network time on. So I'm selecting network time and bitrate to 20.7. Okay, done. Now network and host. You can do that in either way. After distribution, also you can do that. I'm just selecting it. I have to select one as a NAT, one as a bid interface interface. Okay. Here you can select the host name as well, which I'll do it later on. Then let's set some password and done. So when everything all set, you can just press begin installation. It will start the installation process. So again, let's wait for a couple of minutes. So once it will finish, I'll again resume the video. Okay. 50% completed. So let me tell you, Visball is better for any testing purpose in your machine. Install a minimal one. It will take less amount of time, less space in your PC, and more or less it will serve you the same purpose. Installation complete before reboot. There is a simple trick here. For you have to go and first you have to click and power up the machine. Okay, before power up, see it is complete. It is showing that Linux is now successfully installed, ready for you to use. Okay, and now I will power up the machine. So the reason I'm doing that, cancel. Here you see the boot order is optical. This is CD drive. Here I have attached Rocky Linux ISO file, right? So again, as this one is the first one, again it will take me, when I will reboot the machine, it will again prompt me to reinstall the machine again. So I have to select the boot order hard disks where installation has been completed. Done. Now okay, change it and start the machine. I hope you got the context. Here you go. The new distro Rocky Linux. 8.5. So you have to, you have to start accept license agreement and finish configuration. If you want, you can create one user. Okay, that's for your own wish and wait for it to complete. It's pretty cool, right? I can kind of like it. Okay, next. Uh, create one user, login user. Mm. And it's done, right? So same as Red Hat 8 or CentOS is showing. Okay, it's kind of same. Hmm. Right? Getting internet as well, and you can. If you want, you can do the upgrade as well. Okay, you can update your repository using the DNF update or em update command. So that's it. I think you have some idea now how to install it. It's pretty same as Oracle Linux 8 or CentOS 8 or Red Hat Linux 8. I just wanted to show you the process. Okay, so this is the end of my video today. So see you again very soon with a new one, new installation, new topic. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.